Hello, friends. Today we start chapter 4, Earth Science series, and here we are going to see introducing Earth's resources. And the topic we will study here today is rocks. So let's go ahead. So, what is rock? A rock is a hard, solid, natural resource, okay, that comes from the earth. So first we will understand what is a resource. So resource is nothing but it's a thing which people can use. So what it is written over here, a resource is anything that people can use. But rock is a natural resource. Now what is a natural resource? A natural resource is something found in nature and that people use to meet their needs. Okay, so a rock is a hard, solid natural resource that comes from the earth and people use it. Okay, now here you can see image of few different kinds of rocks. So in this image here, this girl, she's telling us, wow, great, I love to collect rocks. So the hobby of this girl is rock collection. Okay, now let's go ahead. So the Earth's crust is made up of rocks. Okay, rocks are mostly made up of minerals, and the different mineral in rock makes different kinds of rocks. Okay, so here we'll see there is important fun fact, that is scientists how they classify different rocks, how they will come to know that this rock is granite or this is sandstone or marble or basalt. How they come to know? They form by studying, by looking into the things that what amount of mineral or what different mineral does a rock has. Okay, so here scientists classify different rocks on the basis of how are they formed. Okay, so now do you understand this thing? So different rocks are formed by different amount of minerals. Okay, and in this way they are classified. A rock can be shiny or dull, okay, and it can be smooth or rough. Some can be easily broken, but few might be very hard. Now, people use rocks to build different things. Like, you know, what people used to do? They break the rocks into very small, tiny pieces and they make road with the help of that rock, that tiny particles of rock, they mixed some elements in it and they make the mixture and then they form the road. And people also use rocks to make the houses, okay, and different sculptures too. Now we are going to do an activity here. Collect some rocks from the garden. Then select the shape of the rock that you like most. And guys, this will be the fun activity. What you have to do, use your favorite colors to color the rocks. Now I'm sharing some of my own collection of rocks. So I've collected few rocks like this and then you can see further here. Finally, we are going to do this activity like this. We'll paint our rocks. You can make any design, you can make any, whatever you like. You can write something, you can draw a flower and you can color it, you can draw a heart, or you can write something that I am cool, something like that, whatever you want. Okay, and you can paint your own rock and see, you will have your own masterpiece. So enjoy it, have fun. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like, share and subscribe it. Thanks for watching.